right?
Please miss this. Nice hat.
No touch. No catch. No catch.
That's right.
I want the green one. I want the black one.
Greedy's wearing a black one.
Ask Broody for your trade.
Hey, can I have
You
the
gotta give him the green one. Pick the green one up, hand it to him. Take the black one off his head and put the green one on his head. You do it. Say here, please. Now give him the green one. No, put it on his head. There. Put it on good. No. Right, give him the black one back. Oh, you don't want that one either, huh? No hats?
Hey, did you get that?
I get 2 hats.
is back. With over 30 years of great deals, everyone's going. You'll never know who you'll see. Won't last long. Hurry in today. Now get 3,000 cash on all 2011 Tundras, or choose 0 for 60 and save over 6,100 in finance charges, or lease a new Tundra double.
Broody wants his hat. Will you give him his hat back, please? Sailor. Sailor, bring Broody one of the hats. We'll bring him the green one.
Here's the black one.
Let me see it. I'll give it to him. You don't want it? No. You don't want the hat? Okay.
You're gonna get cold out there. Get buckets. Okay.
Get her.